Alright, so I bought this M90 block off plate from Zzp. So I kind of want to just get this thing tossed on there, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to get this thing slapped on. So I don't have the right RTV, so I've got this high temp, should be fine. I think any of it will work. I'm no professional, so, but yeah, let's just go ahead and slap this thing on. Should be as simple as put a nice little coat of RTV on there, and then slap this guy on and bolt it up. So let's just go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so there it is. My complaints would be nothing. This is super simple to do. Literally bolts on, no problems. I even tried fucking it up already. Like 3 bolts go up to the top, 2 at the bottom. You can't mess this thing up. Looks pretty good. I've only got it just on there and just kind of like snugged up very slightly. I'm gonna let it, you know, sit for a little bit, and then I'll come back and I'll retighten it. Uses a 13mm socket. That's all you need. Obviously, if you want to remove the supercharger, you just pull all these bolts, and then when you go to do it, definitely have yourself a nose, because this supercharger fluid stinks. Yeah, so all I did was take them all out and then use like a rubber mallet or something and like kind of wiggle it. It'll come out. It's pretty snug in there, but if you break in between here, all the supercharger fluid like leaks out and it smells terrible. Like it's worse than transmission fluid. But yeah, now you guys know it's definitely worth 50 bucks, I think. I mean, the time it would have took me to like cut this out and make it, drill the holes, get the hardware, I'd be at 50 bucks. So honestly, I think this was worth $50. This is well worth it. Well, yeah, that's all I've got for this one, you guys. So you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.